Alright, so while the chicken's cooking, I wanted to show you what we're going to put into it, or at least what I'm going to put into it. I got some pasilla chilies, which I believe are essentially dried poblanos, I believe. It's a darker color. It's more earthy. I'm probably only going to use a little bit of this. This probably goes better with a red meat dish, chili, that type of thing. So I'm just going to use a tiny little bit of that. New Mexico chilies. Both this and the next one, the California chili powder, are lighter red. They're a little bit hotter. I'll probably be focusing on those because we're gonna cook the chicken down pretty. I'm gonna try to blacken it. If I'm gonna do that, it's gonna lose a little bit of the flavor. So I'm gonna try to use mostly these guys. I have coriander seed. Can use a very little bit of that. Maybe like 2 little pats on its backside. I don't know. That's kind of weird. But anyways, yeah, 2 little shakes of it. And then cumin I'm going to use quite a bit of. I'll probably do, I don't know, like 10 shakes of that. The good thing about cooking this type of food with chicken is that it's probably going to taste good no matter what. You can't really over or under season a great deal, so it's pretty easygoing. You don't really have to worry too much. Yeah. By the way, these bags of chili are the greatest thing in the world. They're like 99 cents instead of buying giant jars of them, and they last quite a while. I can make a whole vat of actual chili with less than 1 bag of these. So yeah, find them, love them, enjoy them. All right.